Every single day, millions of bottles of Pepsi Cola roll off production lines across the globe.
But have you ever wondered what actually happens inside these billion-dollar factories?
Welcome to the heart of the Pepsi empire, where science meets precision engineering.
Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of one of the world's most recognized beverage brands.
It all begins with water, the foundation of every Pepsi beverage.
This facility processes over 1 million liters of water daily. High-quality sugar forms the sweet foundation of Pepsi's signature taste. Caramel color gives Pepsi its distinctive rich, dark appearance. Phosphoric acid provides that tangy bite that defines cola. Natural flavors, including hints of vanilla, citrus, and spices, create complexity. Caffeine is added in carefully calculated amounts for that signature kick.
These ingredients are blended at specific temperatures and pressures.
The result is a concentrated syrup, incredibly sweet and intensely flavored.
Master tasters verify that each batch meets the Pepsi standard.
The finished syrup is stored at controlled temperatures until needed.
Next comes the magic that makes Pepsi truly special. The carbonation process is where Pepsi gets its famous fizz. Food-grade carbon dioxide is delivered in liquid form.
The CO2 is carefully measured and chilled to optimal temperature.
Syrup and purified water are mixed in precise ratios.
Under high pressure, CO2 dissolves into the liquid mixture.
This creates carbonic acid, giving Pepsi its refreshing tang.
Each batch is carbonated to exact specifications. The carbonated beverage is kept under pressure throughout the process.
Engineers monitor the process 24 to maintain perfection.
Now it's time to package this liquid gold.
Before filling, we need containers, billions of them.
Food-grade PET plastic arrives in pellet form. The molten plastic is injected into preform molds. These test tube-shaped preforms are the bottle's starting point.
Cameras inspect each preform for defects at incredible speed.
Heat and air pressure transform the preform into a full bottle.
In just seconds, a perfect Pepsi bottle emerges.
The iconic Pepsi logo is molded directly into each bottle.
Bottles are rapidly cooled to set their final shape. This facility produces 2,000 bottles per minute. Every bottle passes through rigorous quality inspection. Imperfect bottles are automatically rejected and recycled. The bottles are now ready to receive the world's favorite cola.
They travel through enclosed conveyors to maintain sterility.
A final rinse ensures absolute cleanliness. The moment has arrived. Filling time. This is where precision engineering truly shines. Each bottle is precisely positioned beneath filling valves. Pepsi flows at exactly the right temperature to preserve carbonation. Laser sensors ensure each bottle receives the exact amount. The filled bottles have mere seconds before they must be sealed. Caps are applied with precisely calibrated torque.
Too tight and the bottle deforms. Too loose and the fizz escapes. Automated systems test seal integrity on every bottle.
Each bottle now contains the perfect Pepsi experience.
The symphony of machinery never stops, 24 hours a day. This single line can fill over 10 million bottles per day.
Skilled operators oversee the automated systems constantly.
Every parameter is monitored and logged for quality assurance. But these bottles aren't quite ready for store shelves yet.
Now comes the transformation into the iconic product you know.
Labels featuring the legendary Pepsi globe are precisely applied.
Each label must be perfectly aligned. No wrinkles, no bubbles. Heat activates the adhesive, bonding label to bottle permanently.
Bottles are automatically grouped for multi-pack packaging.
Recyclable plastic film secures them into convenient packs.
Robotic systems place packs into corrugated shipping cases.
Each pallet is built with mathematical precision for stable shipping. Stretch wrap secures the pallet for its journey across continents. The finished pallets are ready for the final stage. Quality control is obsessive at Pepsi facilities. Samples are pulled randomly throughout each production run.
Trained taste testers evaluate flavor, carbonation, and consistency.
Gas chromatography verifies flavor compound ratios.
CO2 content is measured to ensure perfect fizz.
Package integrity tests simulate real-world shipping conditions.
Approved products move to the distribution warehouse.
This warehouse can hold over 20 million bottles. Computer-controlled systems manage inventory with perfect accuracy.
From here, Pepsi travels to distribution centers across Europe.
Within days, these bottles will be on store shelves.
Water recycling systems reuse up to 30% of facility water.
PET bottles are 100% recyclable and made from recycled content.
New bottle designs use 20% less plastic than a decade ago.
Electric vehicles power internal logistics, reducing emissions.
Continuous improvement drives efficiency and quality. From pure water to perfect fizz, this is the Pepsi process. A billion-dollar operation producing millions of bottles daily.
Powered by cutting-edge technology and dedicated people.
All to deliver that distinctive Pepsi taste you love.
Every bottle is a testament to precision, quality, and innovation.
This is how Pepsi Cola is made in the modern age.
Us inside the factory. That's one sip closer to understanding the billion-dollar industry behind your favorite beverage.